See, it's slippery out here. You gotta be careful, bro. Jeez. All right, gang. So Tonio's about to let me drive his GT350. I've only driven stick one other time, so please pray for me.
So before you start, you already know clutch, brake, and gas.
Yeah.
Shift. So what you could do first is clutch first.
Push the clutch all the way in.
Now put in first gear.
Where's first? Just straight forward?
So you like that, okay. Now e-brake down. So you.
What the? Okay, it's a strong.
Okay, so let go of the clutch slowly.
Okay, without him being on the gas.
Yeah, slowly.
Okay.
You see if you, okay, now put it back. You see that?
Yeah.
That's the grabbing point.
Oh, okay.
That's the grabbing point. Now, when you feel that grabbing point, now you can press on that gas a little bit.
Okay.
Let go of it, vice versa. So let go of it slowly. Gas. Stop.
Oh my god. Oh shit.
It's okay, bro. That's okay. You got it. You're not breaking anything. It's normal.
So press the clutch.
Press the clutch all the way.
Okay.
The clutch all the way in.
Okay, all the way in.
And then press the start button. Okay.
Alright, okay.
You feel where it was, right? You gotta press on that gas a little more, but still hold it in.
Okay, is it in neutral now?
Yeah. Okay. Always make sure, jerk the stick. Okay? Now let go of the clutch nice and easy. Okay, gas, a little more gas. Okay, there you go. Okay, you got it. See, you see how it is?
Yeah.
You just need to put a little more gas. Don't be scared. Okay, now to shift, clutch and then go down. Let go. There you go. You get it?
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
So just practice that. You're not doing any damage to the car because you're going really slow.
Okay.
Now you can go to go a little faster. Now clutch in and then switch to third gear.
Turn right.
Up. Yeah.
Then turn right.
There you go. See?
Okay.
Okay. Clutch in.
With the brake?
Yeah, with the brake. Clutch in. Go to first gear. Yeah, clutch all the way in. Clutch all the way in.
Clutch all the way in.
You gotta go to first gear.
Okay.
And then same thing. Oh, yeah, you're getting it. You just gotta practice the motion. You can't be scared, bro. You're not breaking shit.
This is crazy. This is
it's a lot
plus car.
It's a lot more easier to drive this compared to the G35 you drove, right?
Yeah.
You go around. Keep going around. We got time. Okay.
Turn right on the Claymont Court. Then your destination will be on the right.
So clutch in, boom, in. Make sure you're in gear first and let go of the clutch slowly. And then when you're coming to a complete stop, clutch in.
Okay. Clutch all the way in.
And your destination is on the right.
And then you're Gucci.
Alright, I don't want to park it because it's curving. Okay, so clutch all the way in. How do I put the e-brake? How do I engage the e-brake? I can just.
So now you can let go of the clutch because it's not in gear.
Okay, and it's in park.
You did a good job, dude. We're gonna go for round 2, so don't worry when the weather's better.
Alright, for sure. Jeez. I cannot believe I just drove this beautiful GT350. Shout out to Antonio, man, for letting me drive it. You guys know he had the Iridium Blue Q50 that he still has. Man, this thing is so nice. Wow, y'all let me know if y'all want me to do a review on it, man. Sheesh. What's up, bro? I was already with you. Hey, baby. How you doing? All right, gang, so me and Tonio were just talking about how I was supposed to get like a manual car for myself this season. You know, y'all know I was talking about doing the drift build and everything. The reason I didn't end up doing that is because the Q ended up taking way too long to get ready. So everybody's been asking me what was wrong with the Q60. So my bad, I should have been told y'all this, but it was such a sour taste in my mouth, I didn't want to talk about it. So as you guys know, I was dyno tuned March 18th. I remember the day like it was yesterday. I was dyno tuned. That was just to set like my base file so that I could still drive the car around, but the whole plan was to still data log on the street. In my personal opinion, if you have the option to dyno, I would say for me personally, but I would recommend it honestly, if you wanted to get a dyno, to do it after you street tune your car, because real world like tuning, I feel like it's better. So a lot of the logs I did was when I did roll races in Mexico, of course. If you could tune the roll race, they actually tune the car to how you drive. But anyways, I would recommend street tuning, or you know, e-tuning, I guess everybody would call it, and then taking your car to a dyno just to see how well the tune went. Anyhow, my car did not work after dyno one day. It was having a plethora of issues. It was running rich. It was shutting off on me, and it was always going into limp mode. So I was getting the lazy pedal where I would smash the pedal, the RPMs would climb, but the miles per hour did not. So we went through a bunch of stuff. We tested boost leaks, everything. We did compression tests, all that was fine. Turbos were okay. So my turbos are a little sick, but they were okay. We did find that I had a boost leak in the PCV valve. So I'm not entirely sure what the PCV valve is, but I did have blow-off valves at one point, and I know that you have to mess with that in order to put on blow-off valves and take them off. So that was ended up being leaky. That was the first thing I changed. Did not fix the limp mode issue. So the next thing we checked was we checked injectors again. We checked fueling, just because you guys know I did pop an injector right after tuning day as well. So I had to replace injectors. That's the second thing I replaced. After that, we followed the issue all the way up to the throttle bodies. We thought maybe, you know, the throttle was closing prematurely, so we thought maybe there was an issue with the TPS, which is a throttle position sensor. So we switched both of those out. That was the third thing I said, or the fourth thing I had to replace. Then after that, we traced it back to low pressure fuel pump. So the low pressure fuel pump assembly rather has a thing called the fuel temp sensor on it, and the fuel temp sensor on mine was fried. So it was malfunctioning where sometimes it would work, sometimes it wouldn't. So that was contributing to the limp mode as well. Good old Nissan and Infiniti, they don't sell the fuel temp sensor standalone. So I had to buy the whole low pressure fuel pump. Yep, bought a whole low pressure fuel pump. So I did that, and then I went ahead and bought a whole, or not a whole, sorry, I did buy a whole low pressure fuel pump, a new AMS one. But I also bought a pump assembly, like the whole $600 assembly or whatever it is. So that's like the third and fourth, or fourth and fifth thing I had to buy for the car. And then that still did not fix the limp mode. So at this point, this was May, I think, when I said I finally fixed it or whatever on one of my videos. You guys can go back and look. I think it was May, and the car would work sometimes, and then it wouldn't work, and then I just got tired of it and didn't deal with it. And that's kind of part of the reason I went ghost on YouTube for about a month, because the car wasn't working. Fast forward, I was about to part the car out and sell it. We ended up checking the charge air coolant temp sensor. Yeah, a fucking sensor, a $60 sensor in the front of the car was causing all of these issues all along, was causing the limp mode anyway. So that is a very long story of what happened with my Q60. So it was a charge air coolant temp sensor that was causing it to go into that fail-safe limp mode. We switched that out. It fixed the limp mode. Now I will say all the other things we did fix needed to be fixed. So honestly, it ended up being for the better, because my car runs amazing, aside from just being in an accident yesterday. So that's what happened with my car. Oh, I also switched from the AMS fuel pressure sensor back to the OEM sensor, because the car runs honestly a lot better with the OEM sensor. My startups are a lot better. My cold starts is what I mean are a lot better. So I would suggest doing it, especially if you're race box tuned, but that is a very long, short story. Anyway, all right, gang. So my first time riding with Glody. Me and Goldie been friends for a year now, and I've never rode in his car, which is crazy. First time riding with Glody, so let me fill y'all in, because I tend to not do it. So we're headed to Camille's house. Y'all see who that is, to get downpipes to put on Glody's car. It's Midwest Q, so it's probably not gonna go as smooth as we would like, but it's gonna be fun anyways. So that's what we're gonna do, and then we're heading to Elite Tuner tonight to go support Manny. He's in the car show, so Manny has the red Q50 on the Nismos that he's gonna let me have. So that's what we got going on today, so y'all stay tuned for the ride. If you made it this far, like this video, go ahead and subscribe, comment if you're feeling up to it, road to 5K, and Glody, get your ass on YouTube again.
Road to 5K.
Glody, post on YouTube.
There's a couple of videos out there. A couple.
Oh my God. Wow.
So long, boy.
I cannot wait to open her up for, man.
Wow.
Is the exhaust on quiet, or did you put it back on loud?
No, that's loud.
Loud? Okay, just making sure.
So the R has a resonator delete. This one has the resonator. So once I open it up, it's gonna scream a lot more.
Okay.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Monster, right?
Yeah, wow. Okay.
You could drive over them, but
Finally made it. So we're about to start the downpipes now. We're also having cigars. Cigars with the boys, yeah. So I don't actually know how long this is gonna take, but you guys know how Midwest Q do. Something's gonna take. I'm not even gonna jinx this. Just stay tuned. Hey, buddy.
Man, what happened if you get pulled over?
What?
It's like my name and
What the fuck?
What?
Hey, Taylor. All right, gang. Let's see what's going on here. Uh-oh. What happened?
that one bowl 6 hours later.
Oh.
6 hours later, still dealing with this one.
Just broke the tools.
It's fine.
Sheesh. Downpipe stall underway.
Hella jokes today. He said that. He said that.
Don't get shy now. He
He said he wants those Rohanas back. Yeah, he said he wants Rohanas.
Say hi, you're on the camera.
I want some Rohana. I got some 3-piece Rohana.
Bro, put your face in the camera.
Show your face.
We want to see you.
Sheesh. Oh shit. He really is.
Nah.
On JB4.
On JB4, you really want to blow up your ship. He's gonna pull a con. Map 6, 24/7. Yeah, literally.
I'll
You gotta
make money
take
on
it to
top
shots,
of it.
Because when I got T-boned in the GTI, I took it to an Allstate spot because it was easier, simple. The car's already rusting.
Dude,
It's already rusted.
when my Mazda 6 was fucking, I hit someone or I got hit, the fucking rear bumper was different color than the rest of the
we
car.
have one.
I took it to the insurance fucking
Was
place.
this yours?
And they said, oh no, this matches. I'm like, you can look at it and it says, it's
I
completely
don't know where
different
I'm
shades
gonna
of
take
white.
my car, to be honest.
I already told you where.
No, you gotta take it to a European place, man.
Yep.
And they
Or the
have
spot down the street.
And they have
Auto
to-
Valley, bro.
I don't know.
They charge more than anywhere and they do the best job.
They had
I
to.
don't know.
Right.
All right, gang. So that's gonna be the end of this video.
Alright, Frankie gang.
If y'all made it this far, man, go ahead and like the video, subscribe, roll to 5K. Yes, sir. Y'all know what it is, man. But this is the end of the video. I'll catch y'all in the next one.
Hey, yo, Frankie, bro.
You got a cold
You
start?
haven't done the cold star yet.
Oh yeah. Just kidding.
Now I'm happy.
Did we do it before?
Do what?
Before cold start.
I don't think so. But I mean, it was nothing special.
All right, gang. So Taylor's cold start is absolutely ridiculous. So I'm gonna get this on camera. Insane. Alright, gang, that's the end of this video, man. Go ahead and like the video. Oh, look at Taylor. Taylor with the light. Go ahead and like the video. Comment if you're feeling up to it. Go ahead and subscribe. Roll to 5K. I appreciate everybody for rocking with me, man. I hope y'all had a Frankie day. See you in the next one.